Now, the next topic is sign of magnification and nature of the image. In this case, we know that the magnification produced by the lenses, whatever it is, concave or convex lens, that is m is equal to, that is the ratio of height of image upon height of object. Okay, so we know that the height of object is always positive in both cases, whatever it is, convex lens or concave lens. Okay, but so we can say that the magnification produced by the lenses is dependent upon the height of the image. If the height of the image is positive, positive means the nature, it means the nature of the image is virtual and erect. So the magnification produced by the lens will also positive. Okay, and in second case, it means the lens will be concave lens. Okay, now in second case, if the magnification produced by, if the height of the image is negative, height of the image is negative, in this case the nature will be real, nature of the image will be real and inverted. So in this case the magnification produced by the lens is also negative, and that lens will be convex lens. Okay, I hope that you have understood this topic. Thanks.